It's alright, babe. It's on the towel. Right.
Hold on.
Look.
Hold on real quick.
She did something with this.
What's up, the guy? What you want?
It's your girl SyVon, and we are back with another video. We are back. So guys, we are back with another video. We have been gone. We're not going to mention it. Look at him. Okay guys, so we're back with another.
Should we tell him? Or you ain't gonna mention nothing.
What?
How about, well, I've been gone, just quick, not even 20 seconds. We're gonna put it like this. I know we've been doing reaction. Reaction has been working out. I love doing reaction. You love doing reaction too. But I hate them copyrights. It ain't working out, guys. It just can't. You know, that's why I've been posting for the last 3 weeks or whatever. Hold on. Copyrights have just been killing us. It just doesn't look right on our YouTube record or whatever the case may be. It doesn't look right. I hate seeing it. I hate when I upload a video, all you see is copyright.
Everything.
You know, so we tried, you know, but at the end of the day, we just gotta do what's best for us. I hope you guys will understand that. I hope you guys will support us, and yeah, unfortunately, it's just. I don't know why YouTube is so strict on that. Well, not really YouTube, but you know, people that's copyright their music, so it's what it is, man. So yeah, we're gonna try to find other ways to entertain you guys. But yeah, that's done. Let's get ready, because I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to consume. I'm ready to dash in. I'm gonna let SyVon do the rest of it. What you trying to do?
Nothing.
Be careful, I ain't no food.
Okay guys, so we are back with another food review video. As y'all can see by the thumbnail and the title of this video, we are going to be reviewing Megan Thee Stallion's new Hottie sauce.
We talked about this last time in the last video that we did. You know, can I come for a sauce and give it to a restaurant and they make it go popular or something?
What you gonna call it?
The Jerry Frost sauce.
The Jerry Frost sauce?
Yeah.
Okay, what you gonna put in there? Don't tell them.
The Jerry Frost seasoning.
The Jerry Frost seasoning?
Yeah.
You should come up with a sauce, babe. Jerry Frost sauce. Would y'all buy that?
Yeah, they're gonna buy it.
They gonna buy it?
It's gonna be busting.
It's gonna be busting.
Gonna mix it a lot of Caribbean jerk and all in. It's gonna be busting. Guys, don't mind my nose.
It's allergy season.
It's allergy season, and it was like in the 50 degrees this morning. When I woke up, I was sneezing like a mug.
Alright guys, so what we have on our spread is we have one chicken sandwich with Megan Thee Stallion Hottie sauce. I didn't know they put the sauce on it already. I thought like they'll give you the sauce, they'll give you a regular chicken sandwich and you'll put the sauce on it yourself, but it comes with the sauce on it.
I ain't gonna say we got the wrong one, but from what I seen a lot of people look like they just buy the regular chicken sandwich and put the sauce on themselves.
Oh.
I didn't know they actually did it like this. You know.
Okay, well yes.
But it don't matter. It's cool.
Yes,
we're just trying it, testing it out.
And so another thing we have a 2 for $10 box. So basically it's like 2 can eat out of this for $10. We have 2 biscuits, fries, red beans and rice, and some chicken. Look like a leg, breast, what's this? Wing. Oh, 2 legs, a wing, maybe a breast and a thigh. I don't know. I would most likely be eating the chicken legs. So yeah guys, without further ado, oh, and we got a drink as well. I got a sweet tea because I love my sweet teas, honey. So yeah guys, without further ado, we finna get straight into this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and yeah, let's run it up. Let's go. So babe, you want to try the chicken sandwich first, or you want to try this first?
Let's start with the fries and the biscuit. Let's try the biscuit and the fries with the sauce, so it tastes like, you know what I'm saying. We can leave the burger for last or the chicken for last, you know what I'm saying. Okay, but let's try it because I'm ready to sit in this.
It's right there on the thing.
You know what I'm saying.
So right off the bat, it does have like a Louisiana. Oh, it's making my mouth watery.
Yeah, is that going?
It has a hot, huh?
So I'm gonna make it more watery too.
What?
I'm gonna make it more watery.
You?
Okay.
Sometimes. This got a hot sauce smell and a sweet smell to it.
Man, let me smell like that thing, mate.
Ooh, yeah, I literally have a towel on my whole lap.
Oh, it's okay.
You gotta sneeze.
Goddamn sauce.
Yeah, it's strong.
Goddamn sauce. You smell it good?
All right, now don't be doing all that.
All right, I smell it.
It's good. So yeah, it does have like a sweet hot sauce smell to it. So yeah, babe, go ahead and get your selection.
Yeah, I'm gonna try fries. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna try fries.
What you give it? What you give it?
Hold on.
Look.
Hold on, real quick.
She did something with this.
I think Meghan started World War 50.
Uh-oh. Let me try it now.
It got a little kick to it though.
My mouth is watering.
It got a little kick to it, I ain't gonna lie.
I don't know why it's giving me Timmy Chan's sweet and sour sauce.
It definitely does have some type of sweet and sour sauce to it though. It definitely does have some type of sweet and sour sauce to it though.
Tastes like what, baby? All I had was sweet and sour sauce. Sour sauce.
It definitely do got a little sweet and sour sauce to it.
That shit good.
I know that shit busting.
Yeah, busting.
I tell you, I told you to start World War 50 with this.
It's like it's sweet, but then it got like a little kick to it.
It's like the sweet hit you, then it kick hit you right after.
But it's not hot to me though.
And then it go away. Just like that, it just go away. The sweet, the kick, go away. It's really good, guys. I ain't gonna lie.
It's good. We're gonna try the biscuit, y'all. So here you go, babe. What you think?
With the biscuit, it's like the sauce, the spice of the sauce stay in your mouth. I
don't like it.
No?
I don't know, it got a weird taste. Combination with the bread.
Out of bread so soft that it melt and go away and the sauce will stay in your mouth.
Oh, this bread's so good.
I'm trying to be smart.
Yeah, I love bread. That's why I got the towel right here.
I don't really taste the bread.
Really? You just taste sauce?
I taste sauce.
Yeah. That's mostly what I tasted.
Yeah, that's what I taste sauce.
I don't know, maybe like the seasoning on the bread or like the salt or whatever that be on the bread mixed with the sauce, it just tastes weird.
Okay. We're gonna try next. Red beans and rice.
I don't know.
Wow, that's supposed to be on it.
I'm not doing that.
Babe, come on, you supposed to try it.
You try first.
Give me the thing. You supposed to try red beans and rice with the sauce. What you doing? What you tripping, man?
I'm not doing that.
Trying to skip. Give me. No spoon in there? Oh, fries. Look
in the bag.
What's wrong with her, man?
I'm not doing that.
You supposed to try everything with the sauce, man.
Nope.
The sauce busting.
I'm gonna pour it over your
What you doing? Yeah. How you gonna do it?
Dip your spoon in there and get some of that. Y'all, he nasty.
Alright, oh. Okay, yo. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm trying.
I like Popeyes red beans and rice. What it tastes like?
I ain't gonna lie. I didn't even taste it.
Really?
I ain't gonna lie, I didn't even taste it. Let's try. I know you said probably say nasty. Let's try it. All I tasted was the rice. You know, I love me some rice.
He loves some rice, y'all. That's the first thing he looked for at a restaurant.
Every restaurant, rice.
Probably because you ain't get enough on there.
I gotta do it because if one thing drop.
Yeah.
No, right? Yeah.
You can't taste it. Yeah, no, the rice dilutes the sauce a lot. What we trying with it? We got leg. Let me see. We got a leg, we got a wing, a thigh. And what is this, a breast? Yeah, that's a breast. What?
Chicken is chicken. You know, it's chicken. Chicken is chicken.
But chicken ain't chicken to me.
Let's try chicken. Okay. The chicken is chicken.
We're gonna try with a leg, y'all, because I don't like thighs or breasts. Can y'all see it?
It's from the drip on the side.
Okay.
It's spicy, right?
Hmm?
The chicken is spicy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Oh yeah.
It's busting?
Mm-hmm. But I'm gonna need more than 2 sauces to go with this chicken.
It's busting, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You got ketchup on it? You got ketchup?
I don't want no ketchup. It's alright, babe. It's on the towel. Right.
Okay. This mug's busting.
That mug busting. Hold on.
Hold on. Give me a bread. I love me some bread.
He loves some breast, y'all.
Yeah, that fat ass piece right there. Right there.
Right there.
Oh, I'm finna buy this thing. Right there. Yeah. Oh, look, this is how I bite that chicken.
Get it. Dang, did you bite the bone too, baby? Oh no, that's all meat. Here, you want some more sauce?
That's my busting. Yo!
That's good, y'all.
Look at y'all some Meghan Stallion sauce, boy. That's it busting.
Go get some what, baby?
Huh?
That fool said go get some Meghan Stallion.
That's busting, bro.
That is busting. That's good. Oh my God, that's really good, y'all. Look, we still buy Popeyes. We're gonna have to go back over there and some. We need some more sauce.
That joint busting.
It's good.
I ain't gonna lie, it's busting.
It got like a good heat.
I don't even taste the heat.
In my opinion, it could have been a little bit more hotter. I ain't gonna lie, it could have been a little.
It got more sweet than hot.
But it's good though. It's like it's a good amount. It's a good amount of sweet and sour. I mean, not sweet sour, sweet and spicy.
Yeah, sweet and spicy. Yeah.
It balances out.
I agree with you.
It balances
We ain't
out.
even tried the burger yet.
We told her.
We ain't even tried the burger yet. Pour a little bit more right there, man. Yeah, but. Yeah, but.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's good. That more busting.
Yeah, we don't eat Popeyes like that.
We are today. I don't care. Nobody say that more busting.
It's good. All right, let's try chicken sandwich, huh?
This is a whole breast, bro. I bought this whole joint.
He love them breasts.
Love sucking on them breasts.
Baby, you gonna love cleaning my car too. Get them crumbs.
The car hunger too, what you mean?
All right.
That sauce ran my blood pressure up.
Damn, not raining.
It's so good.
Now it's time for the sandwich.
No, everybody's talking about the sandwich. I ain't gonna lie, so. Ooh. You gotta show them that. That thing wet like some wet poop.
But watch your mouth.
That thing wet like some wet. You already know, yeah.
That's what the burger looks like. It already has a sauce on there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, y'all come closer and bite it, man. Come on, y'all come closer, man.
Babe, I don't want to drip none on the car.
Come on, man. You gotta come closer, man. What you talking about? Yeah, bite that thing. Yeah.
Okay. That's pretty good.
They got sauce all over it?
Okay.
Let me.
My hands are sticky.
Let me show
I taste more sweet.
Let me show her how you do this thing.
You bet. That's really good though. I taste more of the sweet. There's no spicy nowhere. Yep.
I may have to put more sauce in it. They ain't got no sauce in it. But it's good though. It ain't busting like chicken to me. The chicken was busting.
You can't really taste the spicy part of it.
Nah, that was spicy chicken, huh?
It's a regular chicken.
It's a chicken for me, then the fries, then the burger.
Yeah.
The biscuit, no. The red beans and rice was just my choice. I don't think nobody's gonna try it. Overall, it's nice. For me, it's nice.
Alright guys, so that was our review to the Meghan Thee Stallion Hottie sauce. She has some chicken nuggets that go with it, but we didn't get the chicken nuggets. We just got this 2 for $10 meal. So out of all of it, my favorite one was probably the fries, then the chicken, and then the chicken sandwich. Not the biscuit or the red beans and rice, even though Javon just came up with that on the spot, because I ain't never seen nobody eat it with the red beans and rice.
You try with the juice too, dude. I'm just stretching it, huh?
You stretching it, baby. You pushing it.
Yeah, I'm pushing it. Yeah.
So yeah, that was my rating. It was the fries, the chicken, and then the chicken sandwich. What about you, baby? Look how she looking at us like, oh, I'm recording. Why are you looking at us like that? What the hell?
Well, she took her glasses off, boy.
Is she finna come back around here? Look, she come back around.
Yeah. But yeah, for me, guys, it's the chicken, the fries. No, chicken. What I said, chicken, the burger, the fries, or chicken fries burger? Chicken fries burger. For me.
Yeah.
I feel like you need more sauce on the burger. I feel like you need more sauce, and I feel like you need a spicy burger. Y'all go try it and let us know. I feel like that would probably heat. Yeah. Cause we got the regular.
And you only taste the sweet part of it.
It's fine for me.
It's good though.
Yeah. But if y'all really want to tasty, try with the fries, cause you taste both the spice and the sweet at the same time. Plus you taste the fries. The biscuit, you don't taste the biscuit. You don't really taste the spice in the biscuit. You just taste the sauce. That's it. You don't really taste the spice in the burger. So yeah, I said the fries probably to go or get the hot and spicy. So.
Yeah, get the spicy burger. That was our review of the.
But then again, cause the chicken was spicy, huh? And it blends in with it. So I don't know.
So yeah, guys, we're gonna end the video off right here. If you all liked our review of this, this Meghan Thee Stallion sauce, let us know in the comment section below, guys. And if y'all comment anything in the comment section that y'all want us to do for our next video, please let it be pranks or reactions. I mean, not pranks or reactions, pranks or challenges, guys.
Like,
let's do some more pranks and challenges on this channel, because it's so comment any pranks or challenges y'all want us to do in the comment section below. Well, as far as the pranks, you can DM us on our separate accounts or whatever and let us know something. But if y'all want us to do any other challenges, let us know in the comment section below. So yeah, guys, we're gonna hit y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we out this beat.
Peace out.